We continue with our journey, and 6 light minutes from the Sun, we find Venus. Its surface has been an enigma for humans until the early 1990s, as it is always covered by a curtain of sulfuric acid clouds. Thanks to the data captured by radar, we know that its topography is composed of numerous volcanoes, vast plains covered by rivers of lava or plateaus deformed by geological activity. Venus is a scorching world with a surface temperature of nearly 500 centigrade degrees and a heavy atmosphere of carbon dioxide. From the Earth and after the Sun and the Moon, it is the celestial body that shines the most, something that has always amazed humanity. Probably, the simplest form of beauty is an intense light in the middle of darkness. One last curiosity about Venus is tilted 180 degrees. So it's the only planet that rotates in the opposite direction to its celestial brothers. But instead, it does so with the most circular orbit of all those in the solar system. It is the representation of beauty and completeness in heaven. Aphrodite for the Greek mythology and Venus for the Romans is the planet that collects the nature of the goddess of love and beauty. Seeing Venus in the sky is a delight of charm and luminosity. Legend says that such is its brightness that when it was born, even the sun blinked, dazzled by its imposing freshness and charm. In the classical world, they spoke of different Venus: Urania or celestial, daughter of Uranus, the starry sky, and Pandemos, vulgar, born of Zeus and Dione. The love of the vulgar Venus is linked to the matter. It is the love that looks at the body, lives by the immediacy of the senses, and therefore is fickle, because it cannot transcend the test of time. But the celestial love, Venus Urania, is that which acquires a deep, elevated and vertical meaning. It is the one that loves with the soul all the virtues, the one that remains, transcends and reveals the most noble, good, just and beautiful faculties of human nature. When we cultivate the power of Venus Urania within us, we can enjoy and contemplate all the aesthetic, artist, sweet, generous, welcoming, interlacing and magnetizing manifestations of our internal world with a magical integration towards everything that surrounds us. Venus is the force, the charm that awakens us towards the luminous heights of good, the joy of living for the great. She invites us to appreciate and love everything that has been born of the refined universal intelligence that transcends us. She is the art in itself, expressed in all artistic works and in the creations of nature. For this reason, its reflective atmosphere can captivate all our attention on nights with a starry sky. Venus guides our behavior when we are able to combine ideas and actions into a pleasant, harmonious, and balanced whole. It reveals in us when we take care of our environment and our fellow men through the sweetness and protection of the bond of union. It is present when we enhance the beautiful, the luminous, and integrate it into the whole, giving it a sense of artistic beauty. Venus drives us to build the greatest work of our lives, the art of good living, hand in hand with the transformations implicit in love. The love of Venus Urania always knows how to discover the latent beauty in all beings and helps them to develop it. Where there is no transformation into the great, there is no true love.